Hello everyone, it's me Alex Villa and welcome back to my fourth video. Well, I'm trying out the spaceship.
Headphones. Wanna join Daisy? You wanna join Daisy? I can't see. Let me see. I'm trying to get some.
Okay, this is not working. So since it's not working, let's go. Let's just go. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait a minute. Oh my god. Well, if you can see, I have the space. And no, I did not do a glitch to bypass the robot. I actually buy it. And it was... I can't believe it, but for it, worth it. I hope this video get viral. And if it did not... Lemming! Give me my shiny rocks back! I like to have a refund. But anyway, let's get in the video. So, but before we start, we're not doing infection because if I attack someone that, if I turn people into aliens and they attack, it looks weird. So I'm going to join casual. So let's go enter and let's go. Start it for now. Yo everyone.
Yeah, you're like 10, bro.
Oh wait, I forgot to put on first.
Oh, you are not.
Okay, I forgot to put on first mode. But anyway, let's go. So to make this work, we need to jump.
I bet you my voice will sound loud.
Okay, it's working. Time to get some. You don't wait. No,
Bro, you are not 14.
we got the first monkey.
There's no way. Yo, dude. I don't know. I was about to
Yo,
get on here.
you're not an alien. You need to be an alien.
Every now and then. Make me a hole.
Hold up. It needs to
I
work.
don't hate myself anymore because I look all being alien. Make me a
Too late.
Look me an alien.
Oh, I love this. I like this.
Yeah. Okay, everyone, be patient. Your turn will.
know what.
Is this a good color code?
Everyone, whoever subscribed to me is becoming an alien.
Yo, what is your name, man? That's the question.
It's Alex CCCVR. It's Alex CCCVR. Call me at.
Yes, I do.
Go subscribe to me, and if nobody, and I have 30 subs.
I don't know what my color code should be or my cosmetic.
I'm recording this video, by the way. I'm recording this video. So everyone is in the video. So
Free SSY. What should my name be?
okay, everyone.
Great.
My YouTube name is Alex CCCVR. Just call me Alex.
Okay, but yeah, I have.
Yeah, just call me that.
Kind of like Mellow or.
But anyway, here we go.
My name be.
Ace.
You
Yeah, go on. Love. Let me get my spaceship. Subscribe to me! Subscribe to me! Get him. Damn it! Why did I fall for his trap? No in clouds. We do not go in clouds. Bye bye clouds! I'm going back to forest. Okay, let's see if we have a chance again. Hello everyone! And everyone,
Yeah, I know. Steam is so cooked, bro.
Never gonna give you up.
Yeah.
and we got so many people. Time.
Not gonna lie. Yo, go show it to him. Go show it to him. See the reaction.
Everyone, look at your hands. Everyone, look at your hands.
What happened to me?
Everyone, look at your hands.
What happened to me?
Look at your hands.
What did you do?
Yo, Red, he's gonna ban you. Red, he's gonna ban you. He's gonna ban you.
What did you do to
Ban
me?
you, Red.
I am banned.
Yo, go show Red. Go. Show Red. He's gonna ban you.
Can you call him?
Red, he's gonna ban you.
Oh no, I made him leave.
So I have to tell this to everyone because I got
Yo, bro, can you send me the voice
The shit is not a
Can you send me the voice chat you want? Can you send me the
Wait, how do you actually get the motor stick? How do you get the fake? Wait,
mod. Can you send me the body tracking mod?
Oh, yo, first person to put on stick getting kicked out to shine your
I
eyes.
just lost my shirt.
and the motor became the aliens. The motor became his aliens. A motor bec.
I hate handsome.
I have arisen.
No, I eat dish soap. It's really yummy.
Hold up, let me just go to Target.
Hi, Sue.
Come here.
I am this now. Die. Wait. Prepare thy nuts.
Oh my god, my fingers.
Hey, what is this thing in my inventory? I swear I only have 4 things.
Alright.
What the fuck? Oh my god, there's another one! It's a spider! No, don't leave me, please!
Wait, I'm sorry.
I'm making him an alien.
What happened to me? What happened to me?
Wait, what?